Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video is about how to fix delete folder with error item not found. Could not find this item, this is no longer located. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, leave comment and share it with others so they can benefit too.